The tenure of kings and their magistrates.
You are so pretty, Toby.
Are you scared of that?
She's making weird noise, huh? What do you think?
Nicole, watch! Oh, dear Lord. Hey, I'm desensitizing.
And Toby just standing here.
I'm desensitizing. She doesn't.
My horse is so good.
Nicole, ready?
Isn't it so pretty when it says
Nicole. I know it's on.
Toby? Gotta, yeah. I'm gonna be able to grab it. Didn't my girl. Toby? No? You don't want me to go any tighter? Ooh. Stirrup down. Okay, are you itching your leg? Could you stop? I need to get on. You see? Put my foot in my stirrup. 3, and I'm up. Should I warm up then videotape, or videotape then and warm while warming up?
How about you just set it on the ground so I can actually watch what I'm doing?
Huh?
Set it in the hayloft.
No. I mean, just because I can reach up there.
Set it on the ladder steps so we can see the whole arena.
The what steps?
Ladder steps.
Eh.
Okay, why is that where it won't fall?
Meh. Go around the corner. Ryan with one hand, I'm cool. There's his butt, you can't see it. There. Hey, I have a rear view mirror. How cool is that?
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Really, Izzy?
Yes.
You should see her one. She was bored about it.
Yeah, I was riding for some of my other ones. I need to see why my other ones aren't working.
I only saw one.
Huh.
Daddy said that you had to see what they Shadow was one of them.
Yeah, Shadow was in one of them. I actually have a video of you getting on and riding, but I just didn't make a video out of it.
Put it on YouTube.
I will. I can make a Hannah and Shadow one.
Okay, so how about you set it on one of those rails?
Because it could fall and then I'll never be able to get it. And I'll get all.
Another horse will probably. Why don't you set it on the back of the front there? Or you set it on else that's not driving. You set it right there. Yeah, set it on the corner. That's perfect.
I don't know. I'll check to see if it can actually get us and not our horses' butts.
Yeah, that'd be right.
And I don't know how long my camera will record for. Your horse is pooping.
Hey, front door. I guess I asked him to turn too early.
Just send down my camera.
Okay, hey.
We'll see if we get anything good.
You're not going to be able to live that down. Then I'm going to rip down a horse's tail.
What about my horse's tail? I'm going to come over there and beat you. What? Oh, I didn't touch him. Oh my God.
He doesn't like it.
Every horse in the door is very sensitive, alright? I literally did not even touch you. I don't care about
Izzy, can you see us, like the people?
So walk up to the camera. Hey, camera.
Can you actually see people, or is it just bodies?
Well, probably just his body and leg. Toby, what's that shiny thing? You like shiny things. Are you scared of shiny things? Don't knock the shiny thing over. Shiny thing. No, he knocked it over. Toby.
Hey, on the YouTube video, you should have a class and say, technical difficulties.
There we go.
I need to punch new holes in mine. I need to punch them between the one I'm on now and the one below it. They're too long on one and too short on the other. Something about getting a job in the city. Working for the man every night and day. Something. Okay, now I don't know the rest of that song.
Izzy, did you get voted best of West?
No. I was very surprised that people would think I'm artistic. I submitted to peer pressure, but I still put myself as artist. I was just like, hey, all these people are putting down these names. I don't really care who gets what. You're telling how they do it. Because it is. Help me come in over a second. Hi, Anna. Hi. You're on YouTube. Well, not really. I don't know if you can everything together. She's down here, else you can get me. Yeah, but that's a very lovely picture too. Will you stand still? You want to pop out, or will you pop out?
I feel like someone's watching us.
Well, soon someone will be.
Hopefully. Oh, you can see everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Like his head?
Yeah, you can see head, torso, everything.
I mean, it does go like that, like that. Toby is still scared of it. Look at him. He's like looking at it. He's like, Toby's scared of the camera, aren't you?
He's camera shy.
Aww. Some horses are head shy. Some are people shy, but Toby's camera shy. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, why
This
does
is like me from the camera. I'm over here, out of the camera.
I'm trying to tighten the girth, not being in the way.
Toby, it's beautiful. Shiny and pretty. No, don't need the head.
Friday. We're not doing it. Oh, stop. Bummer.
There's too many people here. There's only 5. And 2, 6.
7. I don't know.
Oh well. Everybody's kind of staggered over the times that they take it, so.
Hey, slow down. We're not going that way.
Hey, my camera is still recording. I just want to make sure. Is that light blinking? Did it just die?
Because the bottom of the rays are only speaking.
Yes, it's still recording. See, there's Toby. Oh. I just almost dropped my camera.
You know what? My channel. No, I don't know. My favorite channel is probably my favorite channel is the Spanish channel. Doesn't Nate? Yeah. They're hilarious. They're like. I can only understand part of the word. Has anybody seen Doesn't Nate's videos? Who? Doesn't Nate. They're amazing.
Smile for the camera. I'm videotaping.
Oh.
That's Anna. She plays. Wow. Toby. Her pony's name is Starfire. I'm talking to the camera, yes I am.